Finally, this is a summary of whole video. I will stress some important points here. Okay, what to remember and what not to remember. Whichever concepts you can just remember by understanding the concept. I don't stress here. I will stress only few major differences and few points which you have to remember more. Okay, coming to this one, we have 7 classes. Just remember oath, lilt. Okay, and you can remember this as if you want any mnemonic like oath, lilt. Here T first, last. Okay, liase, lying, and ligas. And here you should remember intermolecular. Intra means isomerase. Okay, inter means transferase. That is the difference between these two. What is the difference between these two? Breaking plus without, with water, without water. Okay, another one. Here ATP is must. You should remember that. Here you should know that adding or joining we need ATP. Okay, coming to oxidoreductase. Here you have to remember acceptor is B complex, here oxygen. Okay, difference between these two. Here hydrogen is added, here hydrogen is removed. Here acceptor P complex, oxygen is, you should remember this, oxygen is oxygen. You should remember NADPH, tick mark. Okay, mono di, you know that everything is odd. You remember this, catalysis is odd than all. Okay, this is important ones. In your reactions also it is useful. If catalase you did not got anywhere in your metabolisms, so just you can remember this name enough. Peroxidase also you can just remember the name, you did not got anywhere. Coming to NAD, dehydrogenase, I explained everything here. What you should remember here, just this example. Okay, glutamate converting, I told many times this one. If ketoglutarate first class, glutamine sixth class, because synthase here. In synthetase ATP is used, well. In dehydrogenase NADH is formed. So first class, sixth class. Another example again I told there in urea cycle. Here you should remember this, as glutamate have two common reactions. I have mentioned here only. Here you can see NS3 is removed, NS3 is added. You can remember very simply here. Here ATP, here NADH. Okay, ATP because it is ligase, NADH because it's dehydrogenase. Coming to here, see FADH2. Here you can just remember this. You can just remember this by concept. This also you can remember here. Nothing to remember here. Okay? Oxidase. Here you can see what you have to remember here. Clinical point, very important. Antidepressants are used. I told the mechanism already. Okay, just remember that antidepressants are used as clinical point. Biological oxidation in electron transport cycle, this is used. Okay, you just remember this. Nothing is there to stress here. Coming to oxygenase, what you have to remember here, you have to remember this. Remember oxidase, mixed function oxidase. It is not oxygenase. Oxidase, it means another name of this oxygenase is mixed function oxidase. Even though in this name oxidase is there, it is oxygenase only because mixed function. Remember this. When mixed function is there, you should just remember this. There is nothing concept in this. Okay, mixed function means you should remember it as monooxygenase. This is another name. I am stressing this. Don't forget. Okay, when in options you will get oxidase, don't confuse that. Oxidase means it doesn't mean that it comes under oxidase. Mixed function oxidase means it comes under oxygenase. Okay, I have already told you for dioxinase 3 will be there. 1, 2, 3. I told 1 here, 2 here, 3 I told in tyrosinemia 3. If you have remembered, third one I told there. Okay, in last page clinical points I told third one there. Here 2 I told here. See here, tryptophan and homogenesis. Here you all know this very well. Okay, dioxinase. Here you should remember. Just you remember like vitamin C. Vitamin C you're getting dioxygenase. That's why I wrote here vitamin. Okay. Here why I wrote means in dioxygenase I gave 2 examples. You can see here. In both examples you're getting vitamin. Here vitamin B6. Here you're getting vitamin C. You can remember the coenzymes like in dioxygenase you're getting vitamins. Okay. Vitamin C. Both vitamin C. Dioxygenase. Like you can remember this. Vitamin B6 this is. This is vitamin C. Here also we are getting vitamin. That is the, in that you can remember like that. In dioxinase you are getting vitamins as coenzymes. PLP also you should remember. PLP is also getting in many reactions, others also. You should just remember this. Wherever you are getting PLP, you can remember as coenzyme. Okay. Next one is iron. You are getting iron also here. I just put a tick mark. You can just remember it. Iron here. Iron, vitamin C, PLP. Remember. Here you know very well. Very important this one. Third 3 stars. Very important. In urine, back pain, nose. I told this infants red color. Okay. Fine. This one. Both here ketogenic, glucogenic fat. See. Common point. I am stressing some common points and different points only because you can remember very easily. Like in tyrosine also, these both are coming. In tryptophan also, these both are coming. Okay, as degradation products. These are being synthesized while degradation of tyrosine. Okay, catabolic fate of tryptophan. These are being synthesized. You know this B6 deficiency. I explained the mechanism. Very important clinical point in urine. Coming to tryptophan. Okay, anabolic fate. Here you can see THB. I told you in anabolic THB, in catabolic PLP. You can see the reaction. Okay, coming to, sorry I forgot this hydroxylase. I told only dioxinase. Coming to monooxygenase. This dioxinase and monooxygenase comes under subclass of oxidoreductase. Coming to monooxygenase. In monooxygenase, in tyrosine synthesis. Okay, this anabolic fate synthesis mean here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You remember 1 comes under clinical, 1 comes under main enzyme deficiency, 2, 3 coenzymes, 4, 5 also coenzymes, 2, 3 for BH4, 4, 5 for DHB. Finish. Here you can remember main clinical points. Why you got neurosymptoms? Because catecholamines are decreased. That's why you got neurosymptoms in PKU. I told a whole mechanism before. You can refer the video if you forget. PKU, you get hyperpigmentation. While tyrosinemia, tyrosinase enzymes is blocked. You are getting here albinism. Okay. See, albinism. Albinism also hyperpigmentation because melanin synthesis is decreased. Okay. Everything is same here. Remember that DOPA is coming common to both enzymes. In main metabolism, while reading the tyrosine degradation, you can simply remember like this. In exam also you can write like this. It is very easy for examiner to see because DOPA is common in these both reactions. You can write side by side so that it is very easy to understand. For both enzymes, this enzyme is used in catecholamine. This enzyme is used in melanin. But I wrote side by side because DOPA is common in both. Okay. This is hydroxylase. This is tyrosinase. That's it. TYRTH. See, catabolic fate of tyrosine. Same catabolic fate of tyrosine. This tyrosine only converting into DOPA here also. Same tyrosine also converting into DOPA here also. But giving catecholamine because of this enzyme. But giving melanin because of this enzyme. You should remember that. Common points and different points. Tryptophan. If you see the tryptophan, here what you should remember. I already told you this. Okay. Coming to, I told you here CO2 decarboxylase. Where decarboxylase you are getting in lyase class 4, but not hydroxylase. Hydroxylase means coming in monooxygenase. Means it is coming in first class oxidoreductase, but not in class 4. Decarboxylase this one. That's why remember I wrote here, but it doesn't mean that it comes under class 1. It comes under class 4 only. I am stressing this again. Remember, it comes under class 4 lyase. See, you remember just that anabolic fate of tryptophan. Tyrosine is more important than tryptophan. Tryptophan not much important like tyrosine, but even then you just remember at least from tryptophan anabolic fate. You should know some basics in our body where this serotonin and this melatonin synthesized. Melatonin you know very well. This melatonin hormone and all. Where these hormones are sensitized. Serotonin, a very well known neurotransmitter. Tryptamine, also called 5-HT. These both, from where you are getting, you should know some basics minimum. So tryptophan, anabolic fate, you are getting these both. Okay, I already told you to stress this point. Tryptophan, trypto, malato, tyrosine, melanin, Melanin is different from melatonin. I'm stressing this again. That is the difference here. Remember, melatonin, tryptophan. To I rounded here. See, you can see. Not the melanin here. Melanin is coming in tyrosine, not tryptophan. Okay. Here you can see just cholesterol. You are getting bile acids excretion. Just remember like concept in our body, cholesterol in liver as a whole excreting and converting into bile acids. Bile acids, you all know about bile acids. Don't think that bile acids are anything else. From where bile acids are getting, you have listened about bile acids many times, but these bile acids are nothing but these degraded product or excretory products of cholesterol in our body. Okay, now we can understand the concept. This is very simple. You can understand this. Transferase, you can see here, there is nothing to remember here. Just kinase and phosphorylase. Here you can remember phosphoryl group. I already told you. I stressed here phosphoryl phosphatase. Phat means breaking, means hydrolase. You are getting in breaking of bonds, adding of water molecule. That is phosphate is phosphoryl. Okay, remember like this. This is organic, inorganic. You know that. Only difference. Kinase. Okay. In this you can remember very easily. In this there is nothing to remember. Everything is easy. Here in first definition of lyase. Okay. In lyase you can remember. I forgot. Sorry. Okay. See other hydrolases. Arginase. No, nothing there here. You can stress here. Phosphatase. I told now. Just now I told. See, breaking of bond. Phosphate. That is the difference between phosphoryl and phosphate. Remember this. Another one. There are two definitions. You know very well. There's nothing to stress here. Okay. You just remember the cycles here. Okay. Nothing to there. Coming to first definition here. What you should remember. Just see that breaking of bond. Just see the definition. I already told you. Nothing to remember here. And coming here. Okay. There is nothing to remember here also. Just remember that in this reaction in urea cycle, two reactions are there simultaneously. One is adding of water and breaking the bond. Lyase, class 3. One is without adding the water, breaking. This is lyase. Without adding water is lyase. Sorry. This is adding water is hydrolase. So class 3. This is, class 4. Okay. That is the difference. Then coming to here, you should remember this very important. Chemotherapy, I told you, anti-cancer drug used as ACLY inhibitors. I told everything mechanism very nicely. Okay. Stop excess growth. Chemotherapy. Remember that. Aldolase. Aldolase, there is nothing to remember here. Enolase. Okay. You know that in second definition you are getting these examples. Okay, there is nothing to remember here. Coming to fumarase. Okay, there is nothing to remember. Okay, here you can remember very important. Oxidative decarboxylation. It is coming under decarboxylase, which is coming under second definition of lyase. Means it is class 4 lyase, but this is not under class 4. It is comes under class 1. Why? Because you have the major one NAD into whenever you see NADH, it means it is dehydrogenase. So see PDH, dehydrogenase, see dehydrogenase. These are all dehydrogenase. Means it is not decarboxylase, not lyase, but it is oxidoreductase. You should remember that whenever you see that, you should confirm that it is oxidoreductase. This is very important. Remember that. Here, nothing there to remember. You just remember this enough. Amino acid degradation, neurotransmitter synthesis. Amino acid degradation, neurotransmitter synthesis. Enough. 1, 2, 3. In red color, I wrote C. In red color, neurotransmitter. Okay. I am ticking these two only. These two you remember enough. You can directly remember all this. PLP, remember. Okay. PLP here. I already PLP came before also. Here also PLP you are getting. Remember where PLP is coming. Remember where THB is coming. Okay, enough. For example, in isomerase, there is nothing to remember here. Very easy. You can see just by the name itself. You can see. Here you can remember. See, this is not transferase class 3. This is class 5. Why? Because intramolecular means Isomerase means then only you are getting mutase. Intermolecular transferase, that is the difference, remember that. Okay, this is stress point. Ligase, in ligase you know that I told you that this is second reaction. Okay, second example I gave in urocycle. In synthetase, first example I gave in oxidoreductase only, glutamate. If you have remember, glutamate into glutamine, that is first example. This is second example. Okay, now biotin you already know that. Here you should remember this pyruvate not dehydrogenase, is carboxylase. Okay, dehydrogenase comes in link reaction. Malic dehydrogenase comes in Krebs cycle, but carboxylase comes in biotin independent carboxylase. We don't know in which reactions, no need for you. Okay, just remember carboxylase. But here you should remember gluconeogenesis, because gluconeogenesis is very important in carbohydrate metabolism. In gluconeogenesis you are getting this carboxylase, not dehydrogenase, remember. This is stress point. Coming to last clinical point. Clinical. Okay, just now I told you in the last few minutes of the video, this is in the catabolic phase of tyrosine, remember. Okay, in catabolic phase of tyrosine we are discussing all these clinical points. Tyrosine, in the name itself you have tyrosine. Okay, see, tyrosine, so that the diseases names also, see, tyrosine, see, tyrosine. Okay, tyrosine 1 2 3 I just now told you. Class 3 2 1 1 2 3 you can remember simply, like reverse order. These points are very easy, you can remember. See, I already told you these points, common points. Cabbage smell here, swimming pool smell here, yellow color here, hepatorenal, oculocutaneous, neural, all three common, neural, simple enough. Okay, these enzymes already you know. Okay, by this you are completing the whole enzymes. You can understand the importance of this video. Okay, you are completing the whole enzymes in biochemistry, very important metabolisms in all carbohydrates, lipids and proteins in whole biochemistry. In this way you can complete nearly many enzymes and many metabolisms in just within 1 hour. Okay, I researched a lot about all this in many sources, like many in YouTube, Google, and also in my textbook, many standard textbooks. I referred every standard textbook and every textbook and every video on YouTube, even in some top coaching, PG coaching, online and offline platforms. Their notes I referred, and I finally made these notes, including all important points and all common points. In this way, I spent nearly 1 day nearly to write all these notes and gather all the points and make it into one place. These nearly 14 pages are there, and this 1 hour video. I will send you already PDF. Okay, these photos I have took and send you PDF. These 14 pages you can just see before exam for revision. You can complete every enzyme and metabolism. Okay, revision will be completed. Simply in 1 hour you can again see the video if you want to revise it. If you want to just see the photos, you can refer to the PDF. You need not see the 1 hour video again. As you understood by seeing the video now, you can go through the PDF directly. You will understand every slide easily. Okay, in this way you can just read the PDF and you can complete within few minutes. Okay, everything is at single place. Okay, thank you.